Hi, I'm Helen Hauser.
And I'm Janet Sesser. We are both award-winning educators, active members of the healthcare team, and authors.
We have designed a book to help you prepare, practice, and increase your chances to pass any of the nationally recognized medical assisting exams. It is also organized as a ready-made textbook for medical assisting programs to create a capstone course.
Let's jump into the book and we'll show you how it works.
Chapter 1 explains the certification and content areas for the nationally recognized medical assisting exams, but also has special features such as advice for real test takers, a piece for English language learners, study strategies, and more. Don't worry, we're not going to go through all the chapters.
Chapter 2 is a pretest and a method to determine the areas of your strengths and weaknesses with an invaluable tool. This bookmark covers the answer and the chapter where it is located. No flipping back and forth for answers. Hooray! Next, Chapter 3 takes the information from Chapter 2 and shows you how to create a workable study plan with time commitments based on you.
Each chapter also contains review terms, multiple choice review questions, and critical thinking questions specific to that chapter. The answers with rationale and a check mark if further study on that question is needed.
A large portion of the exams contain questions on anatomy and physiology, which is found in Chapter 6. This chapter is especially rigorous, with multiple colorful diagrams and special learning aids. For example, here is a diagram of the heart and great vessels, which is fairly complex. We have created a simple diagram of the blood circulation through the heart and body for easier understanding.
The book contains 25 chapters covering the content areas of all the National Medical Assisting exams in the study format that we have been describing. Due to increased request, Chapter 24, Pharmacology and Medication Administration, contains additional questions to practice medication calculations. Yes, you will have to calculate medication dosage on the exam.
Chapter 26 is the actual practice exams, which are timed. One with 5 choices for those taking the AAMA exam, and another exam with 4 choices for those taking the other nationally recognized exams with answer sheets. Also included is invaluable exam day advice.
Now, an added bonus, the brand new Chapter 27, designed for additional study or if you did not do as well as you would have liked on the practice exam. Not only are there more questions, but ideas on how to improve.
Thank you for your time. Visit the Jones & Bartlett Learning website to order or review this unique book.